What if you could finish hours of work in just minutes? Meet Microsoft Copilot, your AI-powered assistant built right into Microsoft 365. Many people only use Copilot to answer simple questions, but that's just scratching the surface. You're missing powerful features that can write documents, analyze data, summarize meetings, and automate repetitive work. Here's how to get started. First, be specific with your prompts. Instead of saying, "Write a report," try, "Create a one-page project status report for senior management using a professional tone." Next, give Copilot context, tell it your audience, goal, and preferred format. And don't forget to ask for revisions. If the first answer isn't perfect, ask Copilot to simplify it, make it more detailed, or change the tone. Check this out. In Word, draft reports in seconds. In Excel, analyze data and identify trends. In PowerPoint, generate presentations from documents. In Outlook, summarize long email threads. And in Teams, recap meetings and generate action items automatically. The best users don't just ask Copilot one question, they collaborate with it. Treat it like a coworker by refining prompts and building on each response. If you want to work smarter, not harder, start using Microsoft Copilot every day. Save this video, follow for more AI productivity tips, and take your Microsoft 365 skills to the next level.